Welcome to Scratch. As we get into our Scratch maze game, you're going to consistently use your online version of Scratch. To use that version, simply go to scratch.mit.edu and then log in on the top right hand side. Do not forget, once you've logged in, when you hit the drop down, you can actually go to your profile, My Stuff, Account Settings, or Sign Out. But to get started with our game, we are going to simply come over here and go to the top left hand side and click Create. Once you have clicked Create, the canvas area on the left hand side where the cat shows up is where all your action and behavior will begin. We are now into the stage, bottom left. When you select stage, bottom left, you can either select an image, you can paint an image, upload an image, or if you have a webcam, you can actually take a picture of what is on your screen at that point and insert it. So if we paint an image, on the right hand side is another canvas that shows up. This canvas allows you to use it as any kind of paint editor. So therefore you can draw your maze however you see fit. Now, a maze can take on a lot of different shapes, sizes, and direction. So however you draw your maze, you just simply have to determine what you would like to do with the maze. Once you have determined that, then you can actually draw your maze. You'll see your maze here on the canvas side, your stage area on the left hand side. Now you'll see as I've drawn my maze how it's kind of hugged on the right side. If I scroll over right here, this maze, there's an X in the middle. So when you're building your maze, you really do need to try and maintain the centerness of your maze. Now I've moved this one line on the left hand side. Now look on the canvas side where your stage is and see what happens. The line moves over. So what you have to do is figure out where your line is. Now as you start to build your maze, do not forget that what you have right here is you have a coordinate plane. You have a coordinate plane right in the middle of this. And this coordinate plane is going to start with 0, 0 right here in the middle. So right here in the middle somewhere there is a coordinate plane. Down in the bottom right of the canvas you're going to see X and Y position. So this is our first stage in trying to build our maze game. If you have any questions, see me, Dr. Clark.